Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a bit of a review. I've bought myself a K&F Variable Neutral Density and Circular Polarising filter for my Canon. I've been shooting some really interesting headshot stuff recently. My latest head to camera stuff has been using this, making sure that I use as wide an aperture as possible, which is 1.8 on the 28mm, which on a crop sensor is working really well for me. Here we go. So, in the box is this case. It's quite neat, opens up, and the filter is quite tight in that foam. You can probably see through the lens that probably at the moment on the minimum of the ND setting. It's going to hold this up, and then turn it to the maximum ND setting, which is 32. So basically going really dark. Best pair of sunglasses, and then open it wide up to ND2. Now it's also got a polarizer, so I don't know if you can see this, but the whole thing moves. Now I've actually shot some footage at the harbour, and I've actually rotated this while filming, and I'll put that up now so you can see that. Again, I'm going to turn the polarizer to see what the difference is. Hopefully you'll be able to see through the water a little bit while I'm turning that. It's not hugely expensive as far as ND filters or variable ND filters are concerned. It's about £55, which I didn't think was too bad, especially considering the lens I put it on, albeit second hand, cost me 200 quid. But yeah, it makes a huge difference. I've even used this on the standard kit lens, the 18 to 55, and that worked reasonably well as well. So hopefully you'll see some of the information, you'll see the footage, and you'll be able to make your own minds up. So this is on F11 ND filters, probably about 3, no actually 4. So again, ND filter on 4, fully zoomed in on the 1855. It's f11, 50th of a second, manual shutter speed.